I've got my 2021 BMW S1000 double, or sorry, not a double R, it's an XR. I've got a double R as well, it's for sale. This is the XR. I love this bike. It handles amazing. It's a great sport touring bike. It runs amazing. It's got great power, lots of great options. It's got every single option you could get except for carbon fiber, and it doesn't have the theft device. And it's all stock. It came with the M package, this color, and the M package came with the Akrapovic exhaust. And I ordered it with the M performance wheels. They're lighter, they look better. Like I said, every single option you could get. And then I added the navigation system, the Garmin Nav 6, I think it is, whatever the newest thing was. It was like $1,000. These guards and the center stand, the tray in the back. I added the tail bag, which will come with the bike. It came all prepped for the nav. I took the sport windscreen off and added this MRA windscreen, and I love this windscreen. It's perfect. Absolutely love it. Added the genuine BMW radiator guards when it was brand new. Tires are good. It's got the intuitive lights. It came with the fog lights, and there's the wiring. I took those off. They mount right there. I took those off to put these frame sliders on, and I was going to remount the lights down here at the bottom, but I just haven't gotten a chance to do that yet. It's got the M endurance chain, which just is nicer. It's lighter. It's smoother rolling. '21 BMW S1000XR with M performance package, all the packages. I've got over $28,000 into it, and I'm going to be selling this at a really good price. I'm going to list all the packages in the comment section below, and all the price and everything about the bike.